All right, it's going to be a trade recap on how I made $699 this morning day trading the NASDAQ futures. So these are the two trades I took. This one was a break even, and then this one was a W. So we're going to go over them both right now. First of all, take off these executions. So first of all, let's come over to market open. Coming into the day, I was bearish. I was super bearish. Price is clearly bearish down to these lows. ES did take out these lows already, so we did have an SMT, but yeah, ES also has lower to go. So I was fine with still being bearish even because of that. So I wanted to see some sort of manipulation higher and then a short down to these lows. Pretty simple. However, off open, we actually manipulate lower. So we manipulate lower. We get a perfect sweep of this 15-minute intermediate low. We then get a super clean 30-second inverse right there. I did end up taking this just because this is super clean AMD structure. We get the accumulation, manipulation, and then the inversion expecting distribution, right? Because we did take out this 15-minute intermediate low, and we have an obvious draw on this 15-minute for value gap. So I did take this. I ended up getting break even on this because I did go break even at the 15-minute for value gap, because I was high time frame bearish. So I'm like, okay, this 15-minute could definitely send us lower just because how bearish price is. And we don't really have any super strong draws. I guess we had like these up here. But I was bearish. So I'm like, if this plays out, I'll take it for a 1-to-1. If not, that's okay. So I ended up getting break even on this, and then brutally break even rated, as you can see, this ends up playing out beautifully. But I still think this is a good trade. A lot of people calling this a pattern trade. I don't think this is a pattern trade at all, because we did take out this low. This is now a protected low. We have an obvious draw right here with this an unmitigated 15-minute gap. We have a beautiful AMD structure. I mean, I think this is a great trade. But yeah, I got break even on that. And now coming to the trade that we won. Simply put, we tapped into this 30-minute gap. We opened up a 5-minute right here. This was a 5-minute for value gap that was opened up. Simple mech model. Got a 1-minute inversion. Took a few candles, but we did end up getting it right there. That was my entry. Then I will say we did not have any LR leading up to this 5-minute gap, which I do like to see some low resistant liquidity leading up to the gap. But if we look at ES, we can see ES has a beautiful mech model right here. I mean, this is like ideal. We have LR right here. We have this the 1-minute, we have LR leading up to the 5-minute. We have the 1-minute inversion. If we look at the higher time frame, we can see that this respected this equilibrium literally perfectly. Look, tap the equilibrium, instant inversion out of these gaps. I mean, this was super clean on ES. So I took this on NQ, obviously, because I trade NQ. Then my break-even point was just the 5-minute on ES, which NQ actually ended up hitting it first. So I went break-even there. And then I targeted equilibrium of this range. So yeah, my TP was equilibrium of this range. Then we can see it instantly got delivered to that. I didn't want to hold any further than this because at this point, this was a protected low. So I was not super confident in it coming all the way back down here. I figured if we are going to continue higher, we're going to fill the 15 or equilibrium and then continue higher. But we are in between, at this point, in between a protected low and a high resistant high. So I just wanted to stay away and just get my piece of the pie, take my equilibrium, or take the TP at equilibrium. Still have 1 to 1.43 R. So still a great trade. And as we can see, if we play this out, I would have ended up getting break even, and then it just chopped around for a while before I eventually ended up taking out this low. And now that's where it's at now. But yeah, I took both these trades live in my Discord. So if you guys want to join that, link will be down in the description. I'm not trading tomorrow. I will not be home, so I will not be trading tomorrow. But I will be back next week. So this is a great way to end the week and a very W day. Very happy with how I played today. Very happy with the trades that I took. And yeah, W day. I'll see you guys next week.